Hi everyone and welcome to my study vlog. So I started out by cleaning my desk first because I live in Kanpur and it is super dirty. So let's clean up first because cleaner area helps you focus better. So I'm just cleaning my desk right over here with this tissue paper. I can also use sanitizing wipe. And next I am making a to-do list because I like to start my day by making a to-do list so that I can stay more organized and complete my tasks, which in turn will help me in making more productive. So I'm just writing all the tasks right over here. These are my tasks that I'm currently doing. So I have to write an essay on fintech versus financial companies. Next, I have to study for my exams. Then I have to do unboxing and I have to do some revision for my exam. So that's my to-do list for the day. Next, I am just putting the to-do list on the wall. I just stick it onto the wall so that it reminds me of all the tasks that I have to complete. This time I'm using Flow for setting a Pomodoro timer. So today I'll be using the Pomodoro technique and I'll set a 25-minute timer. It is very useful and it will help me in staying productive again. So this is the investment in stock market book by Taxman and it is my university class which I have to study for. So this is the third chapter that I'll be studying. So I actually be studying first chapter as well as third chapter, but I study third chapter off camera. So I am currently revising the first chapter and writing certain things down like notes which will help me in remembering that better. Even though we all feel lazy while writing, writing is the best method to actually recall what you have learned. So the first step is to read the book, and from the book you can try making notes, but if not you can write things down like what you remember. Just write that down and you will remember better. You will remember for the exam, you'll remember it forever. I just use this method. And make sure that you write it down by hand if you can, and not on the computer, because you just remember better by writing with your hand. The thing is that at the moment I am having trouble writing because my hands shake due to my medication, but other than that I always try to write things down. After I wrote my notes and studied for 25 minutes, it was my 5-minute break, and I did some unboxing. So I got this tripod. I got it with my own money from Amazon. So I wanted to try a tripod for my mobile, and this one seemed like a okay deal, but it is not the best one out there. There are definitely better tripods, so you can check your requirements and then get one if you want to. Next, I got this watch for myself. So I got this watch from Amazon as well, but this is from Fossil. So it is a beautiful watch. So the first thing is the user manual, then is the watch, and the box is even beautiful. I don't know, I mean, look at this watch. It'll just not fit me, so that's the issue. Next thing that I got is this nail paint from Pop Exo, and I got this for my sister. Next I got this bag for my mom. It's so pretty and pastel. And then I got this manicure kit. So it's this polygel kit that I got with all these things: a nail file, a shot glass for some reason, and then it has these clippers and this thing, I don't know what to call it, but it has this thing over here and then a brush over here, so it's very useful. And this is the UV light that I got. Next, I got this shirt for my dad. He loves these kind of shirts, so I got him one again. Next, we went to swimming. It was so much fun. I could not swim for long because I felt very cold, and I just very much fun. So I am an average swimmer. I'm not that good. My elder sister Prashasti, she is an excellent swimmer, and my brother is also learning. Vinny, I mean, not so much. Let's see if she makes any progress. But swimming was really fun, and you can see I am swimming right over here. And then my brother interrupts me and my camera. The place was beautiful, and it's just fun. Now, get back to studying. So, I have to write an essay as I previously told. So, the topic is fintech versus financial companies. So, I'm just taking my laptop. So, the very first thing that I generally do while writing an essay is do some research. So, I always research, look at research papers, articles, as much as information I can find. I also talk to people so that I can find some practical information as well. This hack will change your life. Just copy the entire research paper and then paste it on Google Translate and press on little speaker button and will play it for you.
Innovation, drivers and
The next step for writing my essay is to write notes. So while I am reading the research papers and looking at things, I write down what I want to actually write before writing it, if that makes sense. So what I'll do is, for example, I want to write a fintech essay, then I'll write the topics and divide my essay. You can use this in the exam and write down pointers before writing the essay so that it is easier for you to write the essay. And that was the most confusing explanation ever. Now, the step third is to generally just write down the essay. So you can type it, write it by hand, and however you want to. Just I have to submit it in a document form, that is why I am typing it. Otherwise, I can write it by hand as well. So that is all for this video. I really hope you like this study vlog. I made a study vlog after a really long time, but I'll be making more in the future. So let me know if you want to see more study vlogs or lifestyle videos. I'll make those as well. And subscribe to this channel as well as Sam Study Station, which is a complete study channel. It's my second channel. And follow me on my Instagram and follow Sam Study Station on Instagram as well. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the giveaway that is coming up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.